little bridge coming up. You guys know what this means. Hold on, let's see it. Oh my god. Oh my god, this thing is insane, man. This is so much fun. This thing is so fun to drive, but you guys don't understand, like, the feeling in this car with this V8 is just like bro, it's like it's unbelievable. It's so unmatched. Bro, this Future, not gonna lie, been hitting like crazy. Yalla habibi, yalla. I get left from the vultures, yeah. Suit came up with the roaches, yeah. Young niggas down like a ocean. More respect than a program. Bro, bro, this is insane, man. Oh my god. The way it just like hooks after it spins a little bit, it just, bro, it rolls through these gears. Oh my god, no. Man. I can't wait till I tune this thing. I cannot wait till this is stage 2. Oh my god, this is so fun. This is just unbelievably fun. Holy shit. Shit, man. Alright, bro, come on. Like how you literally about to slow down like this? Oh my god. Oh, we got a nice little C63 in front of us, but we gotta get around these people. Oh my god. Shit, bro. This is so fun. Man, bro, the downshifts on this car are insane. Like every kind of sound this thing makes, from the engine to the exhaust, it just, you can't replicate it. The way this, I don't know, man, the way this engine just screams and the way it like sounds, has like that deep growl to it, is like, I doubt you can replicate this at all. Like this is just AMG, that's all it is. Mind you, this is stock. Like all this thing has is apparently a rear muffler delete, and that's it. I still have the cats, it's a stock car, resonators, everything. Like, man. Alright, so we ran into some traffic here, looks like. Alright, I'm gonna try getting out of this traffic because, I mean, it is 4 o'clock, it's rush hour, everyone's trying to get out of work, but oh my god, this is so annoying. I literally hate just sitting in traffic. This shit is so annoying. This is really annoying. Alright, let's see who's gonna let me go. Thank you. Appreciate you, brother. Alright, let me see if I get some room over here. Bro, come on. Oh my god, bro! I need to get on a tire ASAP. I need to get on a tire ASAP. This is not real. God damn! God damn! There's no traction whatsoever in this car. Like traction, not existent at all. Shit's insane, man. I hope the camera's picking up like the audio, like the way this thing burbles and bangs and all this extra shit. This is. Oh my god. Wow. Like, you just, you can't, there's no other word to say it like when you're in this thing. Sounds so good. Let me give you guys some revs here as well. This just sounds insane. Oh my god, banging gun on an AMG is like a whole different type of feeling. Oh my god. Come on, brother. Yola. Oh my god. Came back them trenches, I needed no blows. I was supply when they needed the raw. Shopping, they need no help getting off. Up in the door, sit low and creeping in car. I hope I don't catch this red. Come on, stay green for me, please. Please. Okay, I think I got it. Alright, look, we got a tunnel. We got a tunnel right here. Hold on. Yo. God damn. Come on. No. Fucking need bitches. Take a look. Scratching and itching. Clean with no mop. Fresh out the fridge. My brody top shelf. Whip in the kitchen. Coppers to stop. Ain't no ignition. Raise up the bar. Don't do the level. Level to dog. It's a venti. Live on my dog. Got no ignition. Oh my god, this new Drake is tough. This new Drake is tough. I ate the weed too hard. You said it ain't been in voice, don't straight from the heart. I reply like, whatever. When can you come get your stuff? I need this shit out the crib. I think it's bringing back love. Come get in, now you lit. I pull the blow, now you stuck. Dignity over a nut. Big man out of the cut. How many doors are they shut? How many fellas they cut? That damn like my sleeping pattern. Cause how the fuck I'm still up? Yeah, niggas don't speak my language. Niggas don't speak my language. Niggas don't speak my language. Yeah. How the fuck I'm still up? Yeah, niggas don't speak my language. Niggas don't speak my language. Niggas don't speak my language. Yeah. How the fuck I'm still up? Right names on the list, baby. 7-8 candles a lit, baby. Shot the machine here a week, baby. Problems today they get fixed, baby. Send me something for your trip, baby. Go invisible, ain't gonna piss, baby. Wanna turn you to a housewife, and you never had to clean the dish, baby. Yeah, they just roll one up, yeah. How many quotes I wrote, how much gold I struck, hey. How many funeral days they plan for me, and I dodged it like them. Alright, let's see if we can. My language. How the fuck I still up? Niggas don't speak my language. Niggas don't speak my language. Niggas don't speak my language. The song was a banger.
inside the bottle store is California. California boy when I roll. Dropping that top out of bread, I've been pushing that cook through the slime. What you been doing? Smacking this bitch off a perk, I done heard her, she speaking in tongues. Fucking that check up and get it right back, cause I'm one of the ones. Got them demons with me, like the devil with me, like a rocket online. Fucking down to the neck, I polluted my cup, ain't no love for no slappies, you know I'm a dime. Knocking that in your trap, I've been back in the cut, I've been sitting like a pound, I'm a young nigga turtle. I'm stay up, I would appreciate the day, if I want it, I get it, you know what I'm working. I feel like a
Bro. Alright, let me lower this music. So that's pretty much gonna wrap up the video. Let me know if you guys want to see me keep doing more of these. Hope you guys enjoyed me just being me, enjoying my music in my car. It's kind of how I am when I'm driving alone. But yeah, so if you guys are new to the channel, hit the like button and also subscribe. If you guys want to see more content, I got a little more of this music. If you guys want to see more car content, you know, obviously I'm gonna be doing my best, so I'll be uploading a lot over here on YouTube. But yeah, stay tuned for the next video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.